Bitcoin update here on the monthly chart. We're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement tool going way back to 2020, the pandemic drop. And looking at this chart, it's pretty mind-blowing, eye-opening, whatever you want to call it. It's stuff. So what do we got? Well, look at this. Look right there. See that arrow? Pointing right to the golden retracement zone of the 618 Fibonacci. This is big time, folks. We're going back to 2020, all the pullbacks. And what have we done? Well, we don't know if this is the low, but if it is, it's a fantastic higher low than this and then this. See my arrow? It goes back and it goes forth. Now we want to be going up, right? We came back, held the 0.5, and now kaboom. Hopefully, kaboom. We want the kaboom. What is our next target level on the big scale? Is right up here, right? 54K, the 0.236 before more kaboom. If we overtake that to the upside, then more kaboom. We want to look for all-time highs if we can manage to monthly close above red 54K level. Okay, that's the biggest picture possible that I can show you. How about a shorter time frame? Thank you for asking. Let's go down to the daily time scale and put it on auto. Here we go. Now what do we got to look forward to? Well, let's go do it again. Well, now this time we're going to look at an extension. Why the extension? Because we're going to pretend the bottom is in, right? You want to draw from your swing high to your swing low, pretend the bottom is in, and we're going to move back up. So our next resistance zone, 46.7. Right there, we're approaching, right? We had a lot of volatility this morning because of the news about inflation, the CPI, all that good stuff. So also noting our retracement's already hit resistance level, back in December around that 51K level right there a couple times. So that'll be our next zone if Bitcoin can, manage to remain super bullish and take out this 46.7 without retracing. Great. That's our next target, 50K, 51K, right in there. If we do have a pullback, right? Let me get my tool out here. Let me get the scribble scrabble, the paintbrush, and say we get rejected and we come back down. What do we want to do? Well, here's your obvious point that we need to be bouncing off of. That's our next support, 41.5-ish. Okay. You can have wicks, right? But look at these candle closes right there. All the candle closes, all in the cinnamon roll. So if we break that, then we got some other issues to look at. But let's not cross bridges before we get to them, okay? That's what we want to be looking for in the short time frame, the long time frame. Now G.I. Joe. Let's go. Dr. Seuss out the window. Oh my God, the window rhyme too. So what do we want to do is look for our next clear target to the upside is that 46.7 level. And then we'll take it a step at a time, daily updates. Follow on Telegram if you want more content than what you see here. Link below, linked at the end of the video. Holy shit. More rhyming. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We just have fun. That's all we do. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're still neutral. Good signs, right? Go out to the bigger scale, right? We've put in a higher high. That's good signs for a continuation move to the upside. Okay, plain and simple. Quote of the day. We like to do quotes. Keep it in perspective. Life lived for tomorrow will always be just a day away from being realized. Bam! Impact theory right there. Car of the day. Porsche 2022 GT3. Wowzers. I love it. Look at the blue ring around the rim, matching the color of the Porsche. If you want to step up from the GT3, you only have one option. A la GT3 RS. There's other options, but for me, this is it. If you're going to go GT3, great car. You want to get something a little more hectic, a little more havocy? There you go. The Mamba Green GT3 RS. All right.